Let's look at some facts to understand how early we are in this cycle. At all-time high, total market cap in last cycle was 3.04 trillion. Alt market cap in last cycle was 1.784 trillion. That gives a BTC dominance of roughly 42%. Now, understand that last run had no ETFs, no AI, and no gold all-time highs. A spot ETF will effectively legitimize BTC as an institutional class of investment, which is an open letter for real financial tycoons of the world waiting to wet their beaks in a growing and, more importantly, a legitimate asset class. AI, as we all know by now, is set to change the way we live in this world. That means we change the way we invest in this world as well. We are already seeing people using ChatGPT powered tools to maximize their profits, companies posting record profits, and Nvidia semiconductor chips being banned for sales abroad by the US government. AI will drive the next wave of profitability for businesses. Anyone using this technology will rise above the non-believers. Gold hitting an all-time high in many years is also an indication of capital flight from US dollars to other asset classes. This will further propel the wave of de-dollarization around the world. US knows this for a fact, and hence, in order to avoid money to flow away, spot ETF approval will pave as a measure to ensure capital that stays inside US borders. In addition to the three major factors stated, since last year, US interest rates have been raised quite high and quite rapidly in order to curb the inflation that is plaguing the country. General consensus is that Fed has been relatively successful in its mission. It is quite widely accepted now that the Fed will cut rates in the summer of 2024, which will further fuel the impending bull run in crypto cycle. Finally, who can miss out on a fact that despite touching 44,000 on BTC, we didn't had halving. We still haven't had Google searches for crypto-related keywords shoot up, and we still haven't seen Coinbase app surge in downloads. If we consider all this into account, then with 42% dominance, we'll be having an all-time high total market cap of 8 to 10 trillion and altcoin market cap 5 to 6 trillion dollars at all-time highs. The numbers might look staggering, but they always do in every cycle.